SplashLearn is, right now, it just has math. I think they want to get more onto it because it used to be Splash Math from what I've heard. I chose this resource because I've heard of it and wanted a chance to dive into it and check it out some more. So you can create an account for your kids, what grade you're in, it'll tell you how many problems have been answered, their accuracy, how much time has been spent. You can go to reports. The reports will tell you where your students are in their grade level standards. It is color coded, pretty cool. You can assign different things to students, so you can click here and create a new assignment. It's all math related, so I can do place value. I want them to work on multiples of 10. I can assign it to the whole class, or I can just choose certain students to assign it to. And then it'll show me their progress. There's assessments you can give. I can like choose to assess my class if I want to. Curriculum. You can preview it to see what it's going to look like. So here's what the kids see when they are adding using pictures with intent. Use the models to add 5 plus 2, 7. Every time you get an answer correct, you get a coin. And then if you get an answer wrong, it shows you that it's wrong and tells you the answer. So, pretty neat. Class management, you can look at your kids, their name, their password, because we all know kids forget their passwords. I think you can edit their passwords. Sometimes I like to make all the passwords the same so the kids all know how to log in and it's easier for me to remember. You can connect parents. So overall, a very cool app. I would like to use it for parents to use at home with their children, or something kids can do in the class when they're done. And yeah, just excited to share this one.